Birrieria El Gordo is kind of self-explanatory. It's you know, it's myself, and you know we love birria, so it kind of made sense. You know, in our culture, you have birria only on quinceañeras, weddings, somebody died. So, you know, I thought to myself, why can't I have birria every day? You know, that's what my wife would cook for me. It was my favorite dish. And then it was all the craze in LA, so we decided to run with it. It was my wildest dreams come true. We put the word out there, and literally the first day and the first half hour were completely sold out. And then that trend continued for about 9 months straight, up until the point where we were doing about 600 pounds of beef a day and selling out by 1 o'clock in the afternoon. What you can expect from coming to Birrieria El Gordo is quality. You're gonna have, I mean, it's nothing like you've ever tried before. You know, you can try a ton of different birrias, but you'll never have one like ours. You can expect your traditional, you know, asada, chicken, and pastor tacos, but you know what runs things around here is the queso taco and the birria taco.